chicken process with Pop. If y'all ain't know, this is how you pluck and skin a chicken. Well, the plucking process has already been done. What you got there, Pop? Talk to me.
That's the craw. That's where all of the seeds and everything else go to, or it goes in the stomach. Full of food. Chicken food.
All right. Cut on each side the booty hole there.
Yep, and then cut it on up to the belly.
And cut it on up to the belly.
The bottom of the breast.
You're not cutting the breast in half, right?
No.
You're just cleaning them out whole.
Not that beauty.
That's gizzard.
Gizzard.
Some good eating. We'll show that process of how to do a gizzard here in a little while.
There's a gizzard fixing to digest some grain.
Chicken eating a lot of grass.
Free range.
That sounded pleasant. We got the heart and the liver.
I'm getting the gallbladder off of the liver. Perfectly good, healthy liver.
Go on and take a bite of that raw.
All right, another one done.
Another one done. Gallbladder to come. I mean, the gizzard process to come.
First time ever.
Okay, now we rolling.
Okay.
We are rolling.
We are rolling. All right. Well, as we
This
said
is
before, the process of cleaning the gizzard there, which is one of my favorite parts. I like to start off with that hole there where it goes in and just kind of cut it all the way around. Make sure it's cut all the way around there. There we go. You open it up. A lot of grass old boy ate. Old girl, actually.
Yeah, he was definitely feeding good.
So we clean all that up and then go over to the water hose here.
And not to mention that it's 20-something degrees.
Oh, it feels great out here.
And here's the other chickens waiting their turn.
They're just waiting.
Oh, shit. Chicken's revenge.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
I like to try to get as much of that little fat off as possible myself. And then we take this gizzard leather here. This is what I like to call it. Peel that on off.
There you go.
Ain't that
One
something?
clean gizzard, ready to be fried. This is what we dumped out the wheelbarrow. As you notice, it's not exactly melting. All right.